This video provides a glimpse of high-speed rail track construction in the People's Republic of China. At high-speed rail networks, we see the widespread use of ballastless tracks, which replace the traditional gravel base with a solid concrete slab. These tracks are supposed to provide a smoother ride, reduce long-term maintenance costs, and can handle frequent, fast, and heavy train traffic. The rails used in rail transport are produced in sections of fixed length in the mill. Rail lengths are made as long as possible, as the joints between rails are a source of weakness. Then these sections get connected by flash butt welding to create longer sections at a rail yard adjacent to the new railway track. Those several hundred meters long, long-welded rails are then delivered to the site by special trains. Finally, those sections get connected by on-site thermite welding. The result is a continuous welded rail, as it is the standard at modern railways. We see here an empty rail train passing a track construction site on a viaduct. The track used by the work train is completed already. The other track of the dual-track line is still under construction. Part of the slab track construction works have to be carried out during nighttime to achieve the required tight geometrical tolerances. Radiation from the sun would cause deformation of the track setup prior to concreting. Precast bi-block concrete sleepers are placed in a slab of cast in situ reinforced concrete. Finally, the CRH2 295A train set is operating on the completed new line. Thanks for watching, and see you here